So we're done with one Urus car wash. We actually have 3 Uruses today for wash. 2 customer Uruses and Vicks. So we're lining them up right now. I'm a big fan of this one. The black. It's just that's a little bit too flashy for me, I guess. But I mean, they're both nice. It's just that's very, very different. You probably won't see that on the streets a lot. Maybe never, something like that. But this is more me, I think. So yeah, I will definitely choose this one over that one.
All right, guys, we are in Chief Keef's Lamborghini Urus. You guys already saw it. On the last episode, we showed you guys the new crazy set of Forgiato wheels. We had not put them fully on the vehicle yet, but now they're all on the car. We didn't go too low on this one. We wanted to still drive very smooth for Sosa, not too bouncy. Actually drives really, really good, and the stance is really nice. We can go lower, but I feel as though we don't need to do that on this build like my car. Really crazy looking car. We're getting so many people looking at us. Already a few people recognized who the car belongs to, which is crazy. It's really, really dope seeing on the streets how many people watch our YouTube and Instagram accounts and all that. It really makes us feel really good when we're doing all of this stuff and you guys are appreciating it. So really dope. I'm glad I'm in another Urus. We have another wide body Urus at the shop right now that we're working on currently. That's going to be done soon. So that gives us a total of 6 wide body Uruses that we've done 1016 Industries. We know this kit very well, very easy to install, very happy with it. Doesn't make it look crazy, outrageous, funky. It still has clean lines and it's wide. Sosa's headed to the shop right now to pick it up. He's gonna be ecstatic over it. He hasn't seen the wheels yet in person, so he's gonna go crazy over the wheels, I'm sure. They're a little bit funky. The style obviously is a little bit crazy, not like you're used to with our builds. Everybody has their taste. I think it personally looks pretty cool. Why not have something different? You could always change it up later. But the wheels, the body color, brakes, all that stuff matches each other and further creates this really, really sick effect. So we're happy with it, and I hope you guys are too.
Today we are doing the springs. We go there.
Oh, we have a Mercedes GTS here. This car is in here for lowering springs. So that's what we're doing right now. We have some H&R springs right here that we're gonna install. We actually have 3 in already. Javier is doing the 4th one right over there, as you guys can see on the right side. He's putting it together. Let's go see an update on the last one.
Stay tuned.
What's up, Javier?
What's up?
This is the last one?
No, the 3rd.
This is the 3rd one?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Never mind. This is the 3rd one, so we still have quite a bit of work to do. So, but definitely be ready today. Good job. Is it? Shut up.
Hey, it got higher.
Shut up.
Guys, you did it wrong.
Alright, so we're gonna go on a test drive with this Mercedes after the springs and make sure. Oh my God. I just stopped literally because I saw Sarkis's car and there's a ticket, another parking ticket on this car. That's ticket 57 in the year of 2020. So he's got about 57 parking tickets already. Yeah, and I don't know how he deals with all these parking tickets, but let's continue on our test drive. Make sure everything's good with this Mercedes. We just finished the lowering springs and we want to just make sure everything's okay. There's no noise and the car is driving nice. It looks much better, by the way, so I do like it lowered for sure. It feels good. It's a nice car. I actually like this car. It's a nice day too, actually.
So as you can see, I'm standing next to this guy right here. I'm not gonna say his name because he doesn't want to be on YouTube and he's not talking to you guys anymore. But he can't block himself from the camera, so here's Sarkis. People asked what happened to him. He got fired like 5 times and he came back, but he's here again. I'm not sure why, because currently he's building a Defender.
This is the only shop that you can get fired 5 times and come back.
Every day you get a parking ticket.
That's true.
Why?
Because company cannot provide a parking. So this is Sarkis from RDB. So I'm gonna show you guys the Defender. It's a new color. The whole car is stripped. Everything is out from the car. It's a special color we're making it.
You like that, Sarkis?
Yes.
Alright guys, behind me is this beautiful 1997 Land Rover Defender 90. We posted a little bit about this car. Everybody's been asking questions. People are coming through, seeing it, asking if it's for sale. No, this is a custom build for a very good client of ours. He bought the vehicle stock. It was white. We converted it to the Kahn package, full wide arches, the whole front end, the front bar, the wheels, the rear exhaust system. All that stuff you see was done by us. We ordered the Kahn kit from the UK, of course, brought it in, prepped everything. We repainted the whole car in this beautiful Reventon color. So if you look at this color, you might familiarize that with the Lamborghini Reventon. So that's what the color is. It's a satin finish, really, really beautiful. It has metallic flakes in it. One of my favorite builds to date, honestly. You gotta appreciate this thing. It's not a Lambo, Rolls Royce, whatever. It's a 1997, but this thing right now is worth about $200,000 as you see it. So really, really beautiful car. We changed all the lighting on this vehicle to have that clear appearance. So no more orange, no more red. Everything in the front and the back is clear. Some of the lights are smoked to go with the whole theme of it. We also did the whole interior of this vehicle, from carpet to the ceiling to the seats. All of that stuff was redone by us. Custom diamond stitching. We didn't change the seats. A lot of guys changed the seats, but we kept it original. All we did is reupholster it the right way with leather. We also did some mechanical work on it, changed the differentials, suspension, brakes, all that stuff. So this thing is a total package build as you see it behind us. Paint job, body kit, interior, stereo, mechanic, everything done here. I hope you guys like it. Again, it's not an exotic car, but honestly, you guys gotta appreciate this thing. It's really, really sick.
Big, what's up, bro? Huh? That's the word, cool. I still want to put some on my tires too. On my lip, my tires.
What
Like a
sticker?
tire sticker?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright,
Make me a tire sticker so I can come back and y'all gonna do that for me one of these days, bro.
Yeah, but what do you want on it?
Cause I told you I wanted to say, I don't know, something like.
What do you want to say?
I want to say. I want to say Autobot.
No,
I want to say
tire.
I want to say Autobot.
That's what Wayne them just did. They got a track. Autobot?
Yeah,
You want it in yellow or what?
white. What do you think?
Yeah, it's good,
Fuck. You got the light on this shit with the that bitch go white, yellow, green, and some shit like that. Red, yellow, and green. Red, white, green. What? Hey, what? Hold the fuck on. Hey, hey, bro. Hey, I'm saying, look.
Yeah, we can make that. We can make that.
Huh?
Special order. Nobody.
Hey, Vic. I ain't gonna lie with my steering wheel, boy. I'm for real, boy. I'm driving that bitch.